My grandson is called Pin. He was killed in a car crash because his lobe was a bit kinky. Oh, not to worry though. Uncle Sloane's big lobe has been eaten by a kinky chicken. Ooh, the kinky chicken's going to pin his lobe so hard. Grandma's lobe is going to be pinned. Do you smell the peony from my lobe? Oh, I like to fill the crevices of Uncle Sloane's nipples. Oh, fill the crevices and the layers. Oh, yes, fill me up, Jimmy. Oh, yes, oh, yes, oh, yes, oh, yes, oh, Uncle Beanie. Penelope! Grandma Penelope signing out.